What's up, fellow crafters? Have you ever ruined a beautiful custom design because your old equipment just could not deliver the right pressure? If you are searching for the best heat press machine, you are in the right place here on Best Product. We are checking out an incredible heat press device that takes all the guesswork out of your projects today. Let's get started. Designed for users who need flawless transfers every single time, the HT-Vrunt HPA01 heat press machine completely changes the game. The HT-Vrunt brand has built this model to deliver a highly flexible, incredibly safe, and user-friendly experience for everyone. Whether you are a beginner making your first custom shirt or a professional handling large orders, this unit makes the entire process incredibly smooth. One of the biggest struggles with traditional crafting units is dealing with insufficient pressure. Without enough force, your vinyl starts peeling, completely wasting your expensive materials and time. HT-Vrunt solves this problem beautifully with their newly upgraded pressure control technology. This machine offers a massive maximum pressing force of up to 80 kilograms, ensuring your designs adhere permanently to the fabric. Even better, you are not stuck with just one setting. You have a fully adjustable range from 20 to 80 kilograms. This means you can gently fine-tune the exact amount of pressure depending on the specific material and your unique project requirements. Having this level of control gives you precise, customized results every single time, taking your creations to a professional level. The HT-Vrunt HPA01 heat press machine also shines brightly when it comes to overall material compatibility. Many standard machines struggle to clamp down on bulky items, but this model features a significantly enhanced height capacity. It is specifically designed to accommodate thicker materials up to 4.5 centimeters in height. Instead of being limited to standard thin cotton shirts, you can now press your designs onto thick winter sweaters, cozy blankets, thin quilts, and other bulky fabrics. This expanded capacity dramatically broadens your creative possibilities. It lets you expand your small crafting business or personal home projects into entirely new and exciting clothing categories that were previously too difficult to manage. Comfort and ease of use are clearly huge priorities for HT-Vrunt. They have equipped this versatile machine with an innovative gear screen structure that makes monitoring your work incredibly comfortable. This screen features a 0 to 75-degree adjustable angle range, giving you 7 different viewing positions to choose from. Whether you are standing at a high workbench or prefer to sit down while you work, you can perfectly adjust the screen to match your eye level. Additionally, the display itself has been completely upgraded to feature a much larger screen compared to previous generations. This larger size makes it wonderfully easy to read your exact temperature and timer settings at a quick glance, so you never have to lean awkwardly over the hot heating plates. Speaking of heat, working with high temperatures can naturally be a little intimidating, but the HT-Vrunt HPA01 heat press machine is packed with brilliant safety mechanisms to give you total peace of mind. During operation, it utilizes a highly secure two-hand pressure design. The large heating plate will only lower when both of your hands are actively engaged on the buttons. This guarantees that your hands are completely out of the way before any movement happens, drastically reducing the risk of accidental burns. Furthermore, if you ever need to step away from your workstation or get distracted by another task, the machine includes an intelligent automatic shutdown function. Once your chosen set temperature is reached, the machine will automatically turn itself off after 15 minutes of total inactivity. This smart feature prevents dangerous overheating situations and helps conserve energy in your home or studio. To keep you even more protected throughout your entire crafting process, the HT-Vrunt machine provides real-time temperature monitoring alongside active anti-scald prompts. These handy alerts keep you fully informed of the heat levels at all times, so you never touch the surface when it is too hot. Finally, it features a highly unique power-off lifting design to wrap up your sessions safely. When you are done for the day and turn the machine off, the heating panel automatically performs a controlled lift and drop motion. This clever movement stabilizes the internal system and prevents residual heat from causing any safety issues while the unit cools down. Taking your custom apparel projects to the next level has never been this easy, safe, or fun. Check the price link in the description to upgrade your crafting setup today. Please remember to like and subscribe to Best Product for more awesome tools and guides. Happy crafting, and we will see you in the next video.